Hope you guys are doing well. In this video, we are going to discuss about that how you can make a doc file online and you can share it with anyone. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to write the doc here. So I'm going to write the doc file online. So you have to press the enter. As you can see, here's the option Google Docs Online Document Editor. This is the online document. Now here's the template gallery. If you want any template like a letter template or like you want for the project proposal brochure and all the details are here for the application letter headpad, all the things are provided here. You just need to select that. If you want the blank one, you can also use that blank one. So I'm going to use the blank one. As you can see, they have also provided a draft as well. Meeting notes are here. If you want for the email draft here, if you want design all things, you can do that here. You can write the document name here, and all the properties and all the things are provided here, like in the file edit, view, insert, format. All things are given here. You just need to use them. After that, you have another option for the share. You have to click on the share. After clicking on the share, you have to write the file name. For example, I'm going to write the, for example, tutorial. So now we have to save this. After saving this, if you want to share this, now what you have to do, you have to decide that what link holder can do. So I'm gonna anyone with link, then copy the link and then click on the done. And now you can share that link with anyone, and he or she will access your document and he can use it, he can edit it. So in this way, you can create a doc file and share it with anyone. So I hope you guys understand this video that how you can create a doc file and share that. So see you guys in the next video.